All right, this whole house was replumbed. This house is for sale, and the sale's pending, upon this work being completed. I'm in here going to be doing the drywall patch, texture, and paint. Make these holes go away. So everywhere where there was polybutylene pipe, a lot of times the mortgage company or the insurance company won't let the sale go through, depending on this kind of piping. So what we're doing is we're coming in here, stabbing in some dead wood, cutting everything back to where we can get back to some studs. Plumbers already came in, did all their work, and everywhere that they had to cut a hole, I have to come in and get these patched in. Now there is 19 patches in all, so it's a lot. It's a lot of patches, but we'll make them go away. Luckily there's not a homeowner here, so I can work however I need to, however long I need to. I should have this job done in a few days. It's not terrible. It's more of there's just a lot of patchwork to be done. But we're going to go ahead and knock this job out. And I just wanted to show you guys what happens if you don't know that you have what kind of plumbing you have in your home. If you have polybutylene, a lot of times insurance companies will not insure you, or your mortgage company won't approve your loan. That's what I come into. I come in to fix that kind of stuff. So, yep, we're gonna get this guy's house sold for him. The new owners are gonna be happy that they have all new plumbing. I'll catch you guys on the next one.